Hello, dear friends. Welcome to my channel, Mindfulness with Pratibha. As parents, we deeply desire that our children are focused, they are concentrating, and always grasping quickly in their academic years. But sometimes there is another challenging situation where the child is not able to concentrate, focus, or the growth what the parents are expecting is not happening. So let's remove all the negativity towards our children's progress in academic years, and so that we allow lot of peace, patience, lot of calm, love in their academic years, and let them grow freely and also succeed in their academic years. So let's get started and do Ho'oponopono for it. So first of all, relax your energy, take a deep breath and place your hands on your heart and start saying, I take 100% responsibility for all the negative things that I'm allowing or facing towards my child in their academic years. I'm sorry, dear universe, for allowing negative energy through me, which is not able, for letting them to progress in life. I'm sorry, universe, for knowingly or unknowingly being part of this journey, giving them negative verbal things, communicating them, and they are not able to grow. I'm sorry, my dear child, for not be believing in you, for not able to understand you and not able to see the true potential about your learnings, about your progress. I'm sorry for doubting and being impatient and being frustrated and creating this anxiety towards you, and that is why you are facing such challenges in your academics. I'm really sorry for it. I'm really sorry for being so negative in my verbal and not able to give you love, calm, peace so that you grow in your life. Thank you for still being there with me, loving me. And please forgive me for not able to be there when you needed some clarity. I was not able to explain you in a very peaceful and understanding way. Please forgive me if ever I have compared you with other children and pressurized you. Please forgive me for all the negative words that I have exchanged with you and also said some negative words that you were not able to focus. Please forgive me for not understanding you, that you are doing your best, you are doing your amazing things, and you are a unique child. You are exploring things, understanding things in a unique way. I'm sorry that I could not understand you. Please forgive me, my dear child, and thank you for all the love and care you still give me in spite of all the things, negative things that I have been telling you, or I have been always being negative in verbal communication with you. Please forgive me and thank you. I love you, my dear child. Thank you for being there, and thank you, universe, for allowing this support, care, that I've realized that I should be there with my child in any situation, so that we together work and create this positivity between us for their growth, for my growth also. Thank you, dear universe, for allowing miracles in my child's life, and now my child is fully aligned with the studies, with the learnings, and growing each and every day. Thank you for all the patience, support that I'm getting from you, universe, and all the blessings towards my child. And I love you, my child, the way you are, and I'm ready to support you, ready to guide you, ready to be patient with you. I love you. I love, dear universe, that I love myself, I love my child, and everything is perfect. We both are together creating miracles in our lives, and throughout my life, I will support my child in every possible way and always believe in them, and I know, I am sure that progress will happen and is happening. I'm so now confident about my child and about this process. So, thank you, my dear universe, my child, for realizing that I should be really good, really supportive, loving, caring, and believing in the process that you are going through I am going through, and these positivity between us will lead amazing life in our career, in our academic year. So thank you, my dear education, their education, all the mentors, all the teachers. Thank you for giving such lovely knowledge to them and making them understand being patient. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you, my child. I love the progress you are doing, and miracles are just happening in the academic year. So, we are just enjoying this process. I'm sure. Thank you, universe, for allowing such a wonderful thing in our lives. And I'm sure we will focus, concentrate, and have amazing in life in our academic years. So take a deep breath and release. When you release all the negativity towards the process that is happening in their academic years, all the verbal communication that is not allowing you to be patient towards them, or they being frustrated towards you when it comes to studying or learning, you will release all this negativity and always concentrate on beautiful things. Have patience, have that trust, have that belief in your child that he or she is unique. They have their ability, amazing potential, that they will grow. And in spite of anything challenges, everything is perfect, everything is amazing. And have with that belief, with that strong intentions, when you say this to your child, I am sure everything is healed, and you will allow lot of peace, lot of calm, lot of prosperity in their academic years. So hope this was a valuable video towards all the parents who are looking out for this kind of thing for the children, for their academics concentration and good progress. So thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you want deep healing and want to get in touch with me, you can just click the below WhatsApp link where I've provided you. You can join my WhatsApp community so that I can give some of the free sessions, and others will be paid sessions too. So if you are interested, please click the link below and be a part of my community. So thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.